Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. Today we got a few things on our list that we got to get done. One is moving a round bale underneath the lean-to, but the bad thing about it is we have to do it by hand. Unfortunately, everything around here is covered in a sheet of ice, and then it's lightly snowing now, so it just makes it super slippery. So the tractor obviously doesn't get around very good because the tires are as hard as a rock and they're bald. So can't use that, so we got to do it by hand. So that'll be interesting. Before we go do that, we will grab the wheelbarrow out of the back of the truck and grab a couple bags of feed and see if I can get it back to the barn without falling on my butt. So let's get that done. Okay, so that was a little bit scary, but we got them back here. So now what we have to do is we're gonna put one of those round bales over there. So I'm gonna have to move that gate and some of that stuff right there, so we can just hopefully just tip it and go right in the lean-to. And I don't know if we can get the other one in. If we can roll it around the corner, maybe we'll do that, but not sure. But let's go ahead and get this gate moved out of the way, and buckets and all that good stuff.
So many cracked chicken eggs back here, and there's some old chicken eggs.
There's chicken eggs up there?
No, behind here. This is where they lay. There's really old ones and a lot of cracked shells.
Ew. Something's been eating them, I'm sure.
Put it in four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Oh, box. Still alive.
That bale is dense.
Holy shit. Oh, God. These are some heavy things.
I think I just broke my leg.
Let's check this one. All right, guys. That definitely was a pretty big job to get that bale. Them bales are pretty dense, so they're somewhat heavy. I think that's our third cutting in those round bales. Whoa. Everything is just a sheet of ice out here. But anyways, when I first knocked it off, it hit up against those 2x6s, so I gotta go and get my drill and some stuff there to fix those things all up.
Yeah, yes. They finally get our problem to be solved. Right?
All right, guys, we tried to break up the ice back there, but we decided against putting horses out. It's a little too icy out in the pasture. That's just things you got to deal with in the wintertime. We had that rain prior to that last winter storm we had, and it just made it just an inch or two of ice over everything. And it's just not safe for the horses, so we're not going to put them out. You know, it sucks on the horses' side, but we'll give them hay, and they'll get out later this week because we're supposed to have like in the 50s for a couple of days. That'll at least soften everything up, and it'll allow it to just bust up easier. But for today, we're going to play it safe and not put them out. But that's it for today, and moving that round bale was crazy. We're going to go inside, make a bunch of appetizers for the Super Bowl, and enjoy the rest of the day. But if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. I'll catch you guys on the next one.